What's up, y'all? Y'all are tuning in with all things Jenaration. This episode, I'm going to be breaking down my fragrance photo shoot. This photo shoot meant a lot to me due to the fact that, one, never sold a fragrance before, so this was a beautiful opportunity to be able to really know what it's like to have a tangible product. You know, with the marketing company, that's just a service, but to actually have a product to be able to sell has been an amazing journey, amazing process. I recommend anyone to sell something of value, of something that means a lot to you. You'll realize a lot about yourself. So I'm gonna basically break down this photo shoot that I had, the reason why I did it. So yeah, please tap in, please support all things Jenaration, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? Y'all are watching All Things Jenaration, and I am showing y'all the behind the scenes of my fragrance photo shoot. My fragrance is called Intuition. I launched this about a month ago. This is an idea that I thought of with this photo shoot. I wanted to do something very just sophisticated, so I just wore an all black, plain, nothing too crazy. The label of my fragrance is a shadow of me, so I just wanted to just do a reflection of myself in the mirror. That's why I wore also an all black dress, just to show the reflection of the shadow and just keep it really simple. I did a little bit of research on what works with perfumes, and I just really like this concept and idea. I also did some black and whites whenever we finally edited the pictures. I really love the setup that we did with the product shoot itself. The vintage stool is something that I really wanted to use. And of course, since this is a natural fragrance, all natural ingredients, we wanted to do rocks and just show exactly, what it is. But yeah, this was the setup. It was super fun to really just be a part of this. Obviously, selling a fragrance is something I never thought I would be doing. So just putting things together, creating things, I'm telling y'all, just try it. Come out your comfort zone. It was one of the best experiences I've done thus far this year, and it's one of many that I know with next opportunities, it's only opening more doors. Cam with the Cam and Cam Kodak are two of the photographers that I've been consistently working with. I love what they do. We always come together and get things done. I found these flowers literally outside, and I just outside on my apartment. This was a specific color that I love. So we just went with it, put some in my hair, and just went on the fly and just had a good time. We had music bumping. I'm telling you, photo shoots are just really fun, and boom, you see the final product. And it's what happens when you put something together and do it effortlessly. So thank y'all for watching.